registered one Dacoity case on 27th December 2016, wherein five accused persons entered into the rented premises of a Navy officer and stole cash and other belongings worth rupees 5,75,000. Subsequently, we had arrested two accused persons, Allah Baksh and Ravi Harikan, in this particular case, and the main accused was absconding. Today, early morning, our police team had gone to Karnataka at Hatti, wherein they have apprehended the main accused person, Samir Sheikh, alias Chico, and subsequently they have brought him at Vasco Police Station, wherein he is formally placed under arrest. We also produced the said accused before the JFC Vasco and secured 14 days police custody. Further investigation in progress.